We have had arrests in Garissa, Suba in Rachonyo, sub-counties, Suba in Homa Bay, Mandera in Mandera County, Kenyenya in Kisii, and Nyakach in Kisumu. And like I have said, those who are bold enough to attempt to expose, and exposure means collusion. And I think we are going to go further because each examination has 2 security officers. And I want to charge all the security officers not to trust any center manager. Because in order for them to cut and remove a paper, they have either hoodwinked the security officer with a very nice cup of tea and some bread and siagi. What I can't understand, because one security officer must actually eye the examination through and through. And I think we are going to discuss this with my brother, Dr. Fred Matiang'i, to ensure that security officers do not remove their eye from the examination process. I also want to encourage the invigilators and the students who come to witness the examinations to check the paper. Because if the paper has been cut, they usually cut on the corner and glue it back. Check, and if you find that that has happened, it is not a big issue, but it means we shall change everybody else who is involved in that examination administration. All the remaining examination materials, ladies and gentlemen, will remain safely kept. I want to say that despite all the challenges, everything we have done has made sure that the examination is sacrosanct and that the children will get justice.